Craving something crispy, cheesy, and packed with flavors? This chicken noodles bread sandwich is the perfect snacks for any time of the day. Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovent Foods. Let's start. First, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum. Saute for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon salt, some red chili flakes, one cup shredded boiled chicken. This recipe is rich in protein. Chicken helps build and repair muscle. 1 cup boiled noodles, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, mix well and cook for 2 minutes. For extra seasoning, add oregano or black pepper for an extra kick. Avoid overcooking the noodles, keep them slightly firm. Keep aside and let it cool slightly. Now assembling the sandwich. Take bread slices. Spread a layer of mayonnaise on one slice. Place chicken noodles mixture evenly. For a healthier option, use whole wheat bread and low-fat mayo. Add cheese slices or garlic butter for an enhanced taste. Cover with another bread slice. Noodles and bread provide energy for an active day. Now heat a pan, add butter and place the sandwich. For a crunchier texture, use a grill pan or sandwich maker for extra crispiness. Spread some butter on the top. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat until golden brown. Flip carefully and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from the pan and cut into halves. This chicken noodles bread sandwich is crispy on the outside and loaded with delicious flavor inside. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and follow Innovent Foods for more amazing recipes. See you in the next one.